Hello and welcome to this video of Testbook. We are today interviewing some GATE toppers and Testbook users for you. So this should be helpful to those who are preparing for GATE exams this year. Please introduce yourself to our users.
Hi, I'm Shramani Joshi, GATE 2017, AIR 70.
Okay. So which college do you belong to?
I am from Vidyalankar Institute of Technology, a batch pass out of 2016.
Okay. And where is your hometown?
I live in Malad, Mumbai.
Okay. And lastly, what was your rank?
My rank is 70 for GATE 2017.
Okay, that's awesome. Okay, so how long have you been preparing for GATE?
I began my preparation for GATE 2016. I didn't score well in that year, so I reappeared for GATE 2017 and I've been preparing for say 1.5 years and I've scored well this year.
Okay. So in this preparation cycle, when did Testbook come into the picture for you?
Sadly, during the first year when I was preparing, I was with my BE, I couldn't give much attention to the test series.
Okay.
So in this 2017 when I took a break and prepared, that time I had a huge amount of time to prepare well. So Testbook came into my preparation around August when I had almost finished around 60-70% of the syllabus, and I began to force myself to give some tests so that my to check out how well I'm doing in those, apart from the regular previous questions, etc.
Okay. So did a friend recommend it to you, or did you just come across it online?
No, a friend of mine who was also preparing for 17 recommended this
Okay.
test series along with a few others.
Okay. When you started using Testbook initially, how did it help you identify your weak areas and strengthen your strong areas?
The first point was the chapter-wise test which Testbook provided for 30 minutes. They really helped me build my concepts well, because other test series had these 45 minutes or 2-hour tests which were good, but for beginners initially when we start our preparation, these small tests helped me a lot because they saved time and I could get the results real quick. Apart from that, the analysis of the test also helped me understood where I stand among all the people who are giving the test. Then there was subject-wise test which really helped me enhance what the skills I have already learned from the smaller tests. So beginning with the smaller tests and then going on to the bigger tests, it also gave me a sort of a revision, because when I studied the chapter, I gave the small tests and scored well in those. So when I later, after a few months, when I went back to the chapter and thought of giving the tests again or revising some of it, so instead of looking back at the smaller tests, I had the subject tests to look forward to. So I could give those tests and revise also.
Okay.
And the full length tests were also really good. That was towards the end of this.
Okay. And how did Testbook really help you improve?
You provided the solution, you provided the analytics, and you helped me prepare the concepts well, because just reading the reference book is never enough. You have to solve the sums. So I also solved the previous year's sums of GATE, say from 1983 or something. But again, those were the questions which I have solved and I knew the answers to. So when you have something new to look forward to and your questions were quite GATE-like, the aptitude part of it was already there. So I got a real good crack at how the real exam would be via Testbook.
Okay, and so you like the level of the questions also?
Yeah, I really like the level of the questions. Apart from that, you also, the special part about Testbook was not just the quality of the questions, but at times you also gave the same questions with a little twist in that. So even though the questions we have already gone through, we kept on revising the same via different tests. A small change in the question would also make us wonder about how we would crack this, but at the same time it also helped us revise our previous topics. So that was a quality along with the quantity was a real good part of Testbook.
Okay. Lastly, how would you compare Testbook test series with other materials available online and other test series available in the market?
Testbook is at par with the other test series available in the market. All of them really helped us well. Testbook has ample amount of tests. So if at all we were planning to, many of my tests are still remaining because there were ample amount of tests, and I had done all my best to give most of them. and it is already at par with the other tests in the market like Made Easy, and I got it at an offered price, so I had it at a really low price, and the solutions are really well.
Okay.
Apart from the blog is also at par with the reference books, so I really love that.
Okay. Okay. Anything else you'd like to add for our users who are preparing for GATE this year?
Yeah, I would suggest that you begin your preparation early, and as you start finishing your subjects, even little smaller subjects like digital or something, you start giving tests for that. The earlier you start giving the tests, the better it would be for you. And test book has a really great array of tests tailored for you, so it's really good, and go for it and study well and study hard.
Okay. So thank you, and all the best for your future endeavors, and congratulations on scoring such a
Thank
good
you.
rank in GATE.